Ano ba yung dahilan bakit ako nagsimulang mag-invest din sa healthcare noong 2012? Kasi sabi dito, without healthcare, with one major illness, you or any member of your family, you may lose all your investments. And your capacity to make money may greatly reduce. Tama naman na pag nagkasakit tayo, magastos at hindi rin tayo makapagtrabaho. And most people focus in building wealth without life insurance and healthcare. Lagi lang tayo dun sa uso, sa mutual funds, sa stocks. Nakakalimutan natin na importante rin pala ang healthcare at life insurance. And kung naghahanap ka ng murang healthcare, and at the same time, may insurance na rin and an investment. Ito yung tinatawag na Kaiser 3-in-1. Kasi dito, pwede ka na magsimula sa halagang 2,647 per month. And sabi nga, to have peace of mind, kailangan meron tayong healthcare, life insurance, and investment. To know more about Kaiser, pwede mo akong i-message sa Facebook, Roanne Celis Capistrano.